The Gaza situation is heating up again, and it's not just about armies anymore. Israel's far-right leaders are openly challenging Trump's Gaza peace plan, and their latest statement have raised serious concern about what's coming next. Well, their finance minister, known for his hardline stance, recently declared that Israel will rebuild Jewish settlements in Gaza, insisting the territory belongs to Israel. Now, his announcement came just days after Hamas released the last Israeli hostage under the United States President Mr. Donald Trump brokered ceasefire, a deal that this minister had opposed from the very beginning. Also, he isn't alone here. National Security Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir has also rejected the key parts of Trump's plan here, including the deployment of international troops in Gaza and also the exchange of Palestinian prisoners. Both the leaders have long pushed for annexing Palestinian territories, not just in Gaza but also in the West Bank. Now, their defiance has created deep divisions within Netanyahu's fragile government, making it kind of unclear that how seriously Israel intends to follow the peace agreement here. Analysts warn that what was presented as a historic truce could quickly turn into a renewed occupation. Now, if civilian settlements move into Gaza while the army steps back, experts fear that it could spark instability, protests, and even violent clashes, undermining the fragile ceasefire deal. Now, for Palestinians, the news is alarming. While the whole world celebrates a ceasefire, their land may once again face a creeping takeover. So in the end, the peace deal might not be the end of the conflict in Gaza. It could be just the calm before a new wave of occupation and unrest, driven by leaders that are just willing to ignore international agreements for political gains. So here's the big question. Is this the start of Israel quietly expanding into Gaza under the disguise of rebuilding? Only time will tell.